What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In the last video I was talking about how the car would lean out on me, but it turns out I had my turns wrong. I guess when it's over here at the low rating, it's rich, which I didn't know that, but I finally got it fixed. It was just a map sensor. I did switch out the O2 sensor. It did not change anything. It would just be more rich when it would start. But yeah, the map sensor, it's been good. It hasn't bogged down on me, nothing. So that's good. It's a big fix and for the car. Yeah, it was really frustrating, but yeah, now that that's out of the way, it's time to tackle other stuff. I did get the car aligned last week. I'll be showing the spec sheets right now and how bad it was, how off. But yeah, just give me a second. So I got the sheet right here. I did get a custom alignment of how I wanted it. In the front, I couldn't really do much on the camber since I don't have camber arms. But I told him to get it at negative 2.5 degrees, and then for the rear, I got it to negative 1.7. The toe was really bad on the side I got hit on. It was at negative 1.18. The passenger was 0.61, but he said he got it out as much as possible. I don't know if negative 0.37 is okay. It will be fine. The car drives fine, so I think it'll be fine. But yeah, you can see how bad off it was. The camber was. It was at negative 0.38, negative 3.1. So yeah, I never got it aligned before the track. It was a bit of a crunch time. I barely had time, so glad I finally got it out of the way. That was probably a big issue of mine of why I crashed too, maybe. That and the little sandstorm that was going on. But yeah. The big issue I have right now with the car is that every now and then it will overheat. Like, it kills off all the coolant. It could either be my radiator or water pump, or maybe a blown head gasket. But I did order this from Mishimoto. It turns on the fan switches 15 degrees more sooner. So I do want to put that in. I know it's not gonna fix the issues, but it'll delay it a bit more, the overheating maybe. But yeah, I just want to put that in real quick. That's it. It's not a crazy mod, but maybe it'll help maybe later on at the track. But yeah, we'll see. So it's pretty straightforward. I believe it's this one. Here, hold on. I believe it's this sensor that I have to switch out, and the plug switch matched up, so I'd assume it is. It's right here where the thermostat housing is, so I'm sure it is. I just gotta get the right socket or wrench to put it in. But yeah, here's the switch right here. So it's a pretty straightforward little mod. Also, I think I'm gonna be wrapping my intercooler right now with heat tape, that gold tape. I'll probably be doing that. And also, here's the new map sensor I just put in. It's a Denso one. The new O2 sensors right here as well. And yeah, I'm gonna put those in right now. Alright guys, it's later on in the day. I just got it off. If you guys were curious, it's a 24-inch socket. Oh, here's the new one. Here's the old one. Yeah, the old one's pretty clapped out, but I mean, it still worked. We're just gonna replace it with this one, and yeah, I'm gonna start putting that in right now. So yeah, it's like right here where the thermostat housing is, and yeah. Alright, I got the intake already wrapped up too, if you guys can check it out. I obviously didn't do the full thing. I don't think it's necessary. I think just mainly over here. But yeah, I just did it around over here as well, so it won't be just this little chunk. And it doesn't hurt to also get over here. I'm sure it would also make effect. Maybe not, but I'm gonna be putting everything back together now. Alright, everything's back together, intake's back on, the fan switch is in. I did drop a bit of coolant, so I'm going to fill it up, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, taking the car out on a drive. We are not on the POV mount, so I'm going to be shifting with one hand. Here, let me see if I can downshift real quick. Alright, I'm gonna be pulling over somewhere to see if the fans are kicking off, and yeah, that's pretty much gonna be end for that video. I'll be back right now. Alright, so the fan switch haven't turned on yet. I think the car needs to be at a much more higher temperature, but yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I appreciate the support I've been getting in the past few videos. I greatly much appreciate it. Let's get the bad side. But yeah, thank you guys for everything. Like, subscribe, do what you want to do. You don't have to. But yeah, thank you guys. Laters.